to never have loved at all. Better to do today than instead of you putting it off. Tomorrow not sure, and that is for sure. So better you give it to all. Better you stand up and better you get up and rise whenever you fall. Better you smile instead of you cry, and even